Hello, how you doing? Gonna make this pasta today. I'm using penne pasta. Use any pasta you want. I've got tuna in there, tomatoes, cream, garlic, and a little, selection of veg. Again, any veg works, doesn't it? We're gonna throw this together. It's delicious, cheap. Use whatever you've got in the fridge. Beautiful stuff. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so we're going straight in here. Listen, get your pasta cooked. We're not gonna talk about the pasta very much. We're just gonna be adding it a bit later on. In this pan, I've got olive oil. You can use a different oil if you want, about 3 or 4 tablespoons. Here I've got a cup of onion sliced. Here I've got a tablespoon of chopped garlic. Now this is going to have a kick to it because I'm adding fresh chili. Quite a lot. You can change that if you want, or opt out, entirely up to you. Now we're going to use 3 vegetables today: zucchini, bell peppers and carrots. I'm going to get my carrots in immediately. You can see I've cut them really nice and small, and I've got 2 cups of these. Again, you can really play around with the vegetable selection. Get some mushrooms in there, some broccoli in there, some eggplant, up to you. Salt and black pepper. And we're going to go for about 4 minutes on an above medium heat. Fabulous stuff. Next up, we're going to add in 2 cups of bell peppers and 2 cups of zucchini. I've cut it all quite small. And that's my vegetable selection. As I say, as you wish regarding that. 2 teaspoons dried oregano, or oregano, as so many of you call it. Now we're going to go with our tuna, a can of tuna. You know, one of those kind of small things like that, not a massive thing. Stay on this vibrant heat for another 4 to 5 minutes. Stir often. Okay, cooking really nicely. Next up, I'm going to add some tomato sauce. Now this is a tomato sauce that I made myself. 400 ml. If you want, use a kind of pasta sauce from a jar or something like that. Make it yourself, as I've done. Or just use a can of tomatoes. A regular size can is 400 ml, which is, I think you say 13 or 16 fluid ounces in the States. We're going to go for another 4 to 5 minutes, again on this vibrant heat. Nearly done. Okay, we're on the last leg now. I've got some cream here, 125 ml. Now I'm using a thick cream. Now I always get lots of messages about this. If it's a thick cream or a thin cream, like a runny cream, it's going to work out exactly the same. Don't worry about it. Mix that in. Give it a nice edge, a nice creamy edge, which will work really well, I find, with that chili that we put in. And then pasta time. So I've got here penne pasta, which I've just cooked earlier. There's about 4 cups in total. Let's work this in for about another 4 minutes or so, again on this vibrant heat, getting that sauce in, on and around that pasta. Delicious. Okay, just pop that on a plate, center of the table. 3 or 4 people can tuck into that. Fantastic stuff. Like I say, throw it together. You can add whatever you want. Maybe get a bit of sweet corn in there, whatever veg you've got, some mushrooms, something like that. Maybe a few olives. Up to you. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.